Want some easy Halloween makeup ideas? I got you covered. Check out this spider eye that is super easy to create. Going in with the Cover FX Power Play Foundation because it's super matte and it stays in place. MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC25, so it's a little bit lighter. Fill in your brows as you would like. Then I'm going in with the Scott Barnes Glamazon palette. Two shades I'm mixing are Go See and Serving Looks, which is like a soft plum. Then I'm going to use that shade Last Looks, and I'm going to create a buffed out liner. It does not have to be perfect. That's a dark black. Then I'm taking a liquid eyeliner. I'm going to create a wing. It does not have to be perfect, so just do it however you like it on your eye, but there has to be some type of wing because that's how we're going to create the web. Iconic Lashes by House of Lashes for a full effect. Pink blush with Pink Swoon and Stay Pretty from MAC. And then I'm going in with a nice glow from Scott Barnes and his highlight palette in Pink Crush. I want a really nice glow happening here. Now let's create the web. You're going to make 3 lines. Then you're going to connect them. So it's almost like making a upside down U or a curved line, and you're going to connect them and you're going to create 2 of these. Little black liner to the waterline, and any pink lip gloss will do. But maybe you want to glam it up a little bit more like I do. So I'm taking this glitter from NYX. This is in Crystal Ball, and I'm putting it in between each web and then lining the web and also in the inner corner. So I hope you like this look. Let me know if you recreate it and stay tuned for more.